For centuries, alchemists sought the elixir of life, a potion to defy aging, disease, and death. Little did they know, the answer was hiding in plain sight.
What if one of the most powerful anti-aging tools isn't in a fancy bottle or hidden behind a pharmacy counter, but sitting quietly in your kitchen right now? You've baked with it. You've cleaned with it. But what if I told you this unassuming white powder, costing just $1, could be the closest thing we've got to a real-life fountain of youth? This isn't magic, it's science. And today, in this episode of Plug, we're pulling back the curtain on how a teaspoon a day could rewrite your biological destiny. Does taking baking soda before meals really work? And how do you do it safely? Stick around. This story's about to get electrifying. The alchemy of baking soda. Long before TikTok and Instagram hacks, our ancestors weaponized baking soda for survival. In the 1800s, doctors prescribed it for everything from indigestion to wartime infections. So, what is this stuff? Sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, a humble compound of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. But when it hits water, it becomes alkaline artillery, neutralizing acids on contact. Your body's a pH battleground. Blood needs to stay slightly alkaline. Stomach acid? A brutal 1.5 to 3.5 pH. But modern life, stress, burgers, soda, throws this balance into chaos, and chaos ages you. The silent killer, chronic acidosis. Meet your villain, chronic low-grade acidosis. Not the burning chest kind. A silent systemic acid drip. Studies link it to brittle bones, muscle waste, even accelerated aging. Here's why. To buffer excess acid, your body robs calcium from bones. Over years, this leads to osteoporosis. Your kidneys? Overworked filter slaves. And inflammation, acid's partner in crime, fuels diseases from arthritis to Alzheimer's. But in 2009, researchers at the University of California found something revolutionary. Give baking soda to rats with kidney disease? Their organs didn't just stabilize, they regenerated. Why? Alkaline power. Baking soda's lifespan triad. Let's decode baking soda's triple threat against aging. 1. The digestive gladiator. Take it 30 minutes before meals. It pre-alkalizes your stomach, easing digestion. For reflux sufferers, a 2021 gut journal. Study showed it's as effective as PPIS, minus the bone loss side effects. 2. The kidney's night. Your kidneys filter 1/2 cup of blood every minute. Acid overload? That's like forcing them to run a marathon in lead shoes. Baking soda lightens the load. A 2019 NIH trial found it slashes kidney decline risk by 64% in at-risk patients. 3. The inflammation saboteur. Here's the mic drop. A 2018 Journal of Immunology. Study revealed baking soda tells your spleen to produce anti-inflammatory cells called macrophages. Less inflammation equals slower cellular decay. Translation? You age in slow-mo. Oh, and bonus round. Athletes using baking soda report 20% longer endurance. Acid buffering equals less muscle burn. So yeah, your grandma's pantry holds a cheaper, safer alternative to doping. The dark side, risks and how to hack it. But this isn't a fairy tale. Sodium bicarbonate has a Jekyll and Hyde side. Overdose it, and you'll swap acid hell for alkaline havoc. Nausea, tremors, even heart arrhythmias. The sodium? A single teaspoon packs 1,259 milligrams. If your doc's got you on a low-salt diet, this could be a deal breaker. The key is moderation. Start with 1/4 teaspoon in water, monitor your blood pressure, and never exceed 3 teaspoons daily without medical oversight. Hate the taste? Try enteric-coated capsules. They bypass the stomach, releasing bicarbonate right where it's needed. or pair it with potassium-rich foods, spinach, sweet potatoes, to counter sodium. And if baking soda isn't your jam, fear not. Leafy greens, citrus, and apple cider vinegar also alkalize. But let's be real, none cost $1 a month. Conclusion. We live in an age of biohacking bullseyes and $10,000 longevity clinics. But sometimes the universe winks at us, a century-old remedy hiding behind cookie recipes, holding secrets to a longer, healthier life. Is baking soda a panacea? Number. But it's a reminder that small habits spark big revolutions. Mix a teaspoon, taste the fizz, and ask yourself, what if the cheapest tool in my house is also the most transformative? Your move, Ponte de Leon. If this hit home, smash that like button and share it with someone you care about. Drop a comment saying, live longer, and subscribe for more life-saving tips. Stay plug, stay fit, live healthy, powered by Healthxtension.